This is bike riding through Rome. I have no idea where I am, but I feel very Roman. I'm in some equivalent of the Central Park of Rome, and I'm about to get hit by a car. Pretty cool little monument thing here in what I'm going to call the Central Park of Rome. Alright, we're continuing our bicycle ride. We're now out of Central Park and going past the Museum of Modern Art, something. There's the subway. It's hot. It's a good day though. Alright, here we go. Cruising along the river now. Found a nice little entryway to get down here along the river. Some guys doing some rowing. Lots of bridges. And working my way down towards the Colosseum. Hope you're enjoying the bike ride as much as I am. Alright, we're out of the river now. We've got the Castello di San Angelo behind us. Back there, it's a fortress type thing. And we are cruising along here. It's a big piazza. I don't know which one though. This might be the, this might be Repubblica. I think that's what this is. Wow, it's actually really cool, all these statues. You see them all on the top. Alright, and of course, the garbage truck of Rome. Alright, gonna keep working our way, keep working our way along here. Buckle up your chin strap. Slight correction for all the Catholics viewing this video. This is the Vatican. This is the backside of the Basilica. St. Peter's Basilica. Yeah. And it's actually really cool. And there, back behind me, where I was pointing at earlier, was the Castello San Angelo, and the Popes would. There's an underground corridor that runs all along the perimeter of these buildings. And I think it's underground as well. But a long time ago, popes used to seek refuge back in the Castello. In the fortress, basically, when they were at war. So they would leave here and they'd travel underground over to the Castello. It's kind of cool. It's about probably a half mile underground. I have no idea where I am. I'm a little lost. But I'm in this really cool area. It smells great. All these trees. But I'm going up a lot of hills. That didn't work out so well. Now we're backtracking. Nice downhill ride. No complaints. And there's the Vatican. Try not to wreck. These guys have nothing on me. Alright. It's all right. Go ahead. 100 points if you get this at first glance. Yeah, didn't think so. We are in.
That way. I thought you come that way.
See if I can get this to focus. Anyway. Piazza. Navona. Getting hungry. It's about time for something to eat. Alright. Back in the saddle. Just had lunch at this little place right here. It was fantastic. Had some type of spicy red sauce and rigatoni, I believe it was. So anyway, it was excellent. Let's go do some riding. Got a couple more stops. Go down to the Coliseum next, and then we'll work our way back up to the hotel. So I think we're gonna go this way. Nice quiet street, so fortunately I'm not going to bump into anybody here. Alright, this is it, riding through Rome. Nice summer day. No complaints. Hey, little buddy for Dickie. So I've been riding everywhere through Rome, and you've been thinking, well, where are the ruins? Where are the ruins? There they are. Coliseum should be around here somewhere. All men die, but how many really live? There it is. The one and only Coliseum. Pretty amazing. The ruins are back there across the street and on that side of the street. It's going to conclude our bike tour today of Rome. Hope you enjoyed it. Now, it's time to figure out our way back to the hotel. And hopefully, I will have a wife waiting for me there. Alright, one last shot here. Cruising along, just past the Coliseum. Right back there. Just going by all the ruins. This is the oldest part of Rome. Got that up there. We'll be coming back here tomorrow in more detail, but thought it was worth seeing. Alright. Road's a little bumpy.